There he is.
Hello, what's up?
How are you? How are you, Karanveer?
I'm good, and I'm not late, guys. क्या मतलब तुम लोग तो इज्जत का फालूदा कर देते हो, हाँ? सब सुनता हूँ मैं, 5 मिनट जल्दी आ जाता हूँ सुनने तुम लोगों की
देखा
बातें.
देखा So I was telling them that no, he's not going to be late. Give him time. अभी तो 4 बजे ही हैं. Like 4 बजने में 1
I
second
know.
हुआ है. And they're like, no, don't worry, KB is going to be late. But, you know, Karanveer, before I actually welcome you and say cheers to everything, you know, the fan following that you have and everything else,
Thank you.
I would like to cheers to your fans. Because
अरे
that
big
fan
cheers.
following is, yeah, immense. You know, the kind of messages that I have received, we have to do this. I mean, we have to actually shout out to each and every fan of Karanveer Sharma, of your show. And I love your coffee mug also. Cheers to that.
थैंक यू. मैं पहले थोड़ा जस्टिफाई कर देता हूँ, जो लोग शायद मुझे फॉलो नहीं करते हैं, आपके चैनल को देख रहे होंगे, कि ये सेल्फ सेंटर्ड नहीं हूँ मैं, ये फैन का प्यार है, तो मैं बस उसको अप्रिशिएट कर रहा हूँ. What's up, guys? How are you guys doing? Very well, yeah. Very well. Never been better. We've had a lot of struggles this year. I mean, especially from last year end to now. बहुत सारी चीजें बदल गई हैं. I think it's made me a stronger person and at the same time made me a more sorted guy in my head. एक तो जैसे हम शूट करते हैं, it's not the easiest way around, right? हाल ही में हम फिल्म की शूटिंग कर रहे थे और हमें कुछ ड्राइविंग शॉट्स करने थे, तो आपको परफॉर्मेंस तो करना ही है, एट द सेम टाइम ये भी देखना है कि अगर किसी ने पीछे बैठ के छींक लिया तो आपको रोक के गाड़ी से भागना है कि क्या करना है. इट्स वेरी ट्रिकी, एट द सेम टाइम विंडो नीचे करनी है कि नहीं करनी है आपको गाड़ी की, क्योंकि अगर डीओपी को एक सर्टेन एंगल चाहिए, ये सारी चीजें. सो इट्स टॉट मी अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स टू बी अवेयर ऑफ. एंड बिसाइड दैट, अगर आप बात करें, I don't know if I'm supposed to say this and or not, but tomorrow we're shooting something special for the fans, so I'm really excited for that.
Oh, wow.
Just like a thank you something.
Oh my God.
They will love it.
Wow.
For sure.
That's
I'm pretty
nice.
sure they'll figure it out and they'll
That's
start commenting it more now.
Because of surprise ही रहने देंगे उसको, Karanveer.
Of course.
But since you've just wrapped up shoot for a Thursday, you have put out a post. You've spoken a little bit about it, जितना आप बता सकते हैं. So just briefly, if you could talk about the experience from being on the sets of Shaurya or Anokhi to a Thursday, that transition, and how's the whole experience like?
To be honest, transition was kind of smooth because this is my actual, it's my second film with this director, Behzad Khambata. तो उनकी डेब्यू फिल्म जो ब्लैंक के नाम से उन्होंने फिल्म की थी, वो उनका डेब्यू था, जो आई थिंक 2.5 साल हो गए हैं इसको. तो आई वाज लकी इनफ टू वर्क विद हिम, बी डायरेक्टेड बाय हिम. So एक comfort level पहले ही था, because मैंने इससे पहले when he was an associate director, we had worked on a film called Azhar.
Okay.
तो उसमें Mr. Tony D'Souza had directed it and he was the associate. So मेरी bonding actually लंदन में हुई थी बेहजाद के साथ, और he's a super chill guy and he's very very sorted. मुझे लगता है the strongest quality of a director is to have a clarity of thought. And there's so much of confusion on set, or if there's so much of how do I put it? Like, there are so many opinions. There are so many point of views. To not be sort of distracted by that, I think that is his USP. I think that's what's going to be taking his journey and the film forward. But having said that, जैसे आप transition की बात करते हैं, honestly मैं बोलूँ तो शो और पिक्चर दोनों एक साथ शूट करना बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता है. Because the commitment of time जो होता है, but if you can pull it off, there's not a better feeling than that. And so we worked in, I mean, schedules going haywire because of the lockdown and all of that being managed. कहीं ना कहीं मुझे लगता है अगर आप कोशिश करते हैं तो कोशिश करने वाले क्यों कहते हैं ना कि हार नहीं होती है. So you become successful in some endeavors of yours, And अगर आप पिक्चर की बात करें, पिक्चर में आराम बहुत मिलता है बीच में, मतलब जैसे टीवी में नहीं मिलता. मैं सेट पे पहुंचता था 15 मिनट में लोग रेडी हो जाते थे यार, तो मुझे जरा स्टार्टिंग में हमेशा एक होता है ना एक्टर को, क्योंकि because I've obviously my transition has been from films to TV and back to films again.
Yes.
So to get used to it, so the most chilled out I've been is in ad films, क्योंकि ad films बहुत आराम से शूट करते हैं, तो 1 मिनट की कहानी ज्यादा से ज्यादा 2 मिनट की कहानी होती है. और पिक्चर में जैसे 2 घंटे की कहानी आप ओवर अ स्पैन ऑफ 40-50 days that you shoot, बट टीवी में आप एक दिन की, so that is one thing.
Sorry, we lost you there
Mhm.
a bit. The audio,
I'm getting
yeah.
a lot of calls, so I'll just put it on do not disturb. So let's see
Yeah,
what
yeah.
happens.
Okay, all right. So,
Yeah,
I mean, you in fact preempted my next question. I was about to say that, you started your journey with films and
yeah,
then television, web shows, then back to TV, and now again films.
yeah.
Now, there was also a 2-year hiatus before you actually stepped back into television
Mm.
for Shaurya. There has to be something really, really compelling. Fan following to uski baat karta hi hai, but had to be something really compelling in the beginning, at the onset, when you were reading the script or when you were,
Yeah,
in talks, that
yeah.
made you to say yes to, a sort of, an infinite series, because you really don't know with television kitna lamba chalega koi show.
Yeah.
So what made you, what was that factor that you thought that, acha, this is something that I have to be a part of? अगर शौर्य सब्रवाल की हम बात करें तो
I think जो convincing factor था मेरे लिए दो चीजें थी. I was missing out because in 2014 I had done a film called Zid, and
yeah
that's when I realized that an intense, passionate love story or that kind of a lover is something that I could want to venture into, and more elaborately. That's something that you connect with, you know. So I never really got roles after that. I got like a role of a cricketer. I got a role, कहीं ना कहीं मुझे पुलिस ऑफिसर का रोल मिल जाता या एक एंटी हीरो का मिल जाता, एक्शन फिल्म्स के मिल जाते, बट ऐसा रोमांटिक साइड इज समथिंग दैट आई वाज ऑलवेज लाइक यार कुछ अच्छा आएगा ना यार, तो आई वुड रियली लव टू डू दैट, यू नो. I would really want to venture in that side of it. I ventured into a lot of other things also. मैंने comedy show किया था, so comedy is something I wanted to venture into. So this was the only thing that was missing. And at the same time टेलीविजन में क्या होता है ना कि आपको कहानी एक ब्रीफ आपको देते हैं कुछ 1-1.5 महीने का, उसके बाद आपको पता नहीं क्या हो जाता है. यहाँ पे we had a skeleton, you know, because it was an
okay
adaptation or an inspired story of a Bengali show or whatever. But they already, obviously there were a lot of tweaks and everything. थोड़ा अलग करने की कोशिश थी इसको, performance wise भी. तो at least I had a skeleton, you know. I knew where that show was going. तो it becomes easier for you to know कि अच्छा इतना तो रहेगा ही, you know, the skeleton and the base will be the same. So it gave me more clarity of thought. And what a beautiful subject, yeah, where you're talking about, you know, education and equality and why a man can, it's okay for a man to take a back seat in life and support a woman. It's not, it's okay if she doesn't change her surname after marriage. All these things, yeah, I mean,
yeah
they're beautiful. Why wouldn't you want to be part of something like this?
when the promos were out, I mean, obviously Shaurya Sabharwal is this overtly patriarchal
Yeah,
mindset wala aadmi.
yeah,
Something that I believe you would not be, you don't believe in, but to portray
yeah.
something like that, you are not convinced about, but so convincingly, if you have to portray something like that, वो कितना चैलेंजिंग हो जाता होगा, बिकॉज उस समय तो तक तो ये भी नहीं पता था ना कि इतनी ज्यादा फैन फॉलोइंग शो को मिलेगी, you know. So did you have two minds about that what and how will this actor, who's obviously incidentally started out to be an anti-hero because of his thoughts and how he's projected, how will he be perceived, and how will the show be taken in front of the audiences?
I knew that I was going to get a lot of slack, but that's something that I really wanted the character to have. It's okay not to like me, you know, at least because if you, the reason they connect to Shaurya is somewhere because he's patriarchal and he changes for his life.
Yeah
So if you don't do that, you know, if you don't go that extra mile of convincing yourself and convincing the audience that this guy is very, very, मुझे मुझे मेरी फैमिली वाले बोलते थे कि दूर दूर से मुझे रिश्तेदार फोन करके बोलते थे या मैसेज करते थे, कहते थे आई हेट यू मैन, क्या कर रहा
okay
है, आई हेट योर कैरेक्टर, क्या कर लिया, क्या उठा लिया करण तुमने, क्या हो गया तुझे, you know. So that was a big compliment, yeah, because I didn't really think I would pull that off, you know. But it was
yeah
really required. If you look at the trajectory of the performances and the graph of this character, it is so diverse. Like
yeah
television में मुझे नहीं लगता कि अभी भी जितने भी ऑफर्स आ रहे हैं मुझे आ चुके हैं, I don't think there can be another Shaurya yaar, and such a layered character. So it's just a blessing to be part of such a series.
And since you mentioned your family, I जितनी बहुत मेरी research जाती है, I don't think your family का कहीं से भी film industry और performing arts से कोई भी नाता है. तो ये आपका कहाँ से? Where did you think that you actually fit in as an actor?
नहीं एक्चुअली है, मैं
अच्छा.
इतना see the thing is my family life is very, हम लोग बड़े क्या बोल सकते हैं, वेरी नॉर्मल से इंसान हैं, मतलब बड़े मिडिल क्लास मेंटालिटी वाले लोग हैं. तो हम बड़ा सिंपल रहते हैं घर पे, दाल चावल रोटी खाते हैं, एंड वी आर लाइक चिल, नो मैटर, इट डजंट गेट टू आवर हेड. And
Yeah.
that's something I think I need to give a big thank you to my father for that, for instilling that sort of attitude. My dad he's a lot of things, yeah. He's never been the limelight. उनको चाहिए ऐसा, he's not been that kind of a person. But he's been from FTII, he's been from NSD. Actually वो मुझे पता नहीं उन्होंने NSD क्यों किया था. Obviously वो नेशनल स्कूल ऑफ ड्रामा तो एक्टिंग के लिए ही किया जाता है, जाना जाता है. So he wanted to be a filmmaker. So he's also from FTII as a editor, and कुछ पिक्चरें भी डायरेक्ट की उन्होंने. एक बहुत इनकी फेमस फिल्म है माला माल, जो नसीरुद्दीन शाह की,
Oh yeah.
जिसमें उनको
Okay.
30 दिन में 30 करोड़ खर्चने होते हैं ताकि वो 300 करोड़ का मालिक बन जाए. you know
Yeah, I do remember that film. My God,
yeah
Acha, I did not know this. My God.
yeah, because he's, like I said, and there's always a confusion between Keval Sharma and Kamal Sharma. They are two different directors. तो वैसा उनको हमेशा होता है. तो मुझे कहीं ना कहीं इंडस्ट्री, मतलब that's like my first generation, like my dad and now me in this industry. My mom was part of the Miss India pageant in, I think,
Okay.
in the 70s, early 70s.
Wow.
तो मुझे लगता है कि she also somewhere wanted to become an actress or something, और कुछ
Yeah.
वो झूठ बोलती है. मुझे बोला नहीं, मुझे मिस इंडिया ऐसे, क्योंकि उन्होंने बोला था कि यार सब लोग ऐसा कर रहे हैं, आपके आपके टाउन का नाम हो जाएगा. शी इज फ्रॉम दिस वेरी क्यूट सिटी कॉल्ड पटियाला,
Okay.
जहाँ पे फॉर्चुनेटली शौर्य अनोखी की कहानी की भी शूटिंग हुई है. So it's like a little hometown
Yeah.
to me as well. नानके घर कहते हैं ना, तो वो है. So somewhere down the line, I think they've always been inclined towards this filmmaking and cinema and all of these things. But हम बड़े simple लोग हैं. हमें we are good people. We like living simply. And I think वहाँ, that is the thing. When you have that middle class mentality, ना, अच्छा एक्टर वहां से ही निकल के आता है.
Right.
क्योंकि you can switch between both the worlds.
Yeah. So I have to actually change my statement now. So ये तो आपको भाई, it's in your genes. Performing now. Now that I know the story with your mother and your father being part of it. So कहीं ना कहीं से तो भाई obviously बच्चों में आता ही है. So that has rubbed off on you. So you're actually taking that legacy forward.
I don't know. I don't know. I'm still figuring out what has led to what, but I think it's some kind of magic that happens. Like I'll tell you, acting is something that happens to me. Like just about yesterday, we were shooting a sequence, and somebody's saying something bad about my fiance, the girl I want to marry, and fortunately it was a reshoot, because of technical issues. So my director just told me कि do something अलग ना, ये तो हमारे पास है already, हमें यूज करना हुआ, कुछ अलग तो करके देख. मैं बोला अच्छा ठीक है, give me some time. Give me some time. Sorry, I'm बार-बार फोन आ रहे हैं इसलिए कट होते जाएगा. So what I did is that I just took a moment. I said, I'm not going to think about it. If I think about it, I might just like ruin it with the whole technicalities of it. And I think that's what a process of mine and a lot of actors I know ऐसा होता है कि it just happens when you're getting into the scene ना, तो हो जाता है. So acting मेरे साथ ऐसी होती है. शौर्य में हमेशा बहुत बार ऐसा हुआ है, बहुत सारे ऐसे सीन्स हुए हैं. हाल ही में हम लोग, मैं और देवात्मा ही बात कर रहे थे, तो we were just reminiscing some moments. So we just realized that there were scenes where magic happens, yeah. So I think acting just happens, you know, if you feel it, it just, you know, I think the person can relate to it as well. Like, you know that he's feeling it, he
Yeah,
will feel it, you
yeah,
know.
right.
So I think it's just being genuine, yeah. You know, just being genuine. And obviously the nuances, the technicalities, ये तो वक्त और आपको सारी चीजें इंडस्ट्री सिखाई देती है.
Right. So, Karanveer, before I let you go, these questions and this segment is lovely. I have received a lot of requests of we doing this live together with Devatma also.
Yeah.
I have spoken to Devatma. मैंने ये live शुरू होने के पहले भी आपके fans को ये बात बताई है. Devatma and Karanveer will actually sit down together, decide on a time which is convenient to the both of them. We'll do a Zoom interview together because she could not be a part of this 4 p.m. live. Because she was not available till 7 today. तो हम वो नहीं कर पाए, नहीं तो हम जरूर देबात्मा को भी ऐड करते इस इंटरव्यू के लिए. So that is going to happen soon. So Karanveer, you need to find time for it in 1 or 2 days, whenever that is, and we'll do that interview together with Debatma and yourself. And
Absolutely.
before I let you go, I will just take a couple of your fan questions because इतने सारे आ रहे हैं. एक question तो बहुत ही obvious है. This is by Samya. Sir, season 2 कब आएगा? This is a question that all your fans want to know. Season 2 of Shorty और अनोखी कहानी.
बहुत जल्द आ सकता है यार, डोंट वरी. कीप पॉजिटिव एंड आई डोंट नो कब आएगा. मैं सच में बोलूं तो इसका जवाब तो यही है कि आई डोंट वांट टू पुट समथिंग आउट देयर अननेसेसरली, बट एट द सेम टाइम यू नो ऐसा इतनी ज्यादा फैन फॉलोइंग, इतना ज्यादा प्यार इतने कम टाइम में किसी शो को मिला है. आई एम प्रीटी श्योर somebody out there would want to consider, okay, you know, let's make them happy. So fingers crossed.
Right. Okay, this is a very interesting question. I really want to take this. This is by Ama8257. Please ask KV, why is he not in his car today? What is this question? What is this car thing, Karanveer?
अरे यार, you know, I'm always on a crunch of time. I've been blessed enough to be little busy in this pandemic, and तो क्या है कि कभी time manage करने के लिए I really don't want to ever disappoint. I'll try adjusting everybody for interviews as well.
Right.
तो जहाँ भी वक्त मिलता है, या अगर मुझे लाइव मैंने किसी को कह दिया है, जैसे लास्ट टाइम मैंने कहा था कि 7 बजे मैं लाइव जाऊंगा. अनफॉर्चुनेटली मुंबई ट्रैफिक में आप कभी टाइम से नहीं पहुंच पाते हैं किसी जगह पे, यू नो. अगर आप जल्दी भी निकल जाए तो कभी कभी मुझे गाड़ी से ही शुरू करना पड़ता है, जस्ट टू कंसिडर द टाइम दैट आई हैव गिवन समबडी, टू रिस्पेक्ट दैट टाइम. तो वो अभी गाड़ी का ऐसा बन गया. मेरी गाड़ी मेरी लाइफ है यार, क्या तुम लोग इतना मुझे गाड़ी में देना था इंटरव्यू. तुम लोग ऐसे बातें मत करो यार. मैं मिस कर रहा हूँ तुम लोग की वजह से. मैं घर से निकला नहीं हूँ आज. मैं बोला कि यार 4 बजने वाले हैं और तुम लोग इंतजार करोगे और डेफिनेटली ये कमेंट ठोकोगे.
It's such interesting questions that are coming. Achha, this one's by Pallavi. She wants to know if you're planning to join Big Boss. Where is this coming from? ये कुछ ऐसी बात है क्या करणवीर की आपको अप्रोच किया गया है बिग बॉस के लिए?
अरे नहीं, आई थिंक दिस गाइस नो है कि कुछ बैक टू बैक इयर्स मुझे अप्रोच किया गया था, तो आई हैव बीन पुटिंग इट डाउन एवर सिंस. मे बी दैट्स व्हाई दे आर लाइक, क्योंकि इस साल भी सरप्राइजिंग, इस साल तो पता नहीं क्या हुआ कि यार इतना पुश भी नहीं किया किसी ने मुझे कि आ जाओ. तो बिकॉज़ यू नो उनको लगता है कि कोई फायदा नहीं है, हमेशा नाम होते थे.
But given a choice, I mean, once you have the time, because obviously you've been shooting, you've been busy doing your own things, would you want to be a show, be part of a reality show where the cameras are on you 24/7?
नहीं, क्या है ना कि मेरा यूएसपी मोर देन एन एक्टर मेरे फैंस जानते हैं. प्लीज कमेंट इफ आई एम राइट और रॉन्ग. कि मेरा यूएसपी मेरे फैंस जानते हैं कि मैंने एक ट्रेंड चालू किया है बीटीएस का. और बिग बॉस में बीटीएस आप बना नहीं सकते हैं क्योंकि आपको 24 घंटे ही दिखाने होते हैं. तो मेरा एक ही जॉब मुझे जो आता है वो मैं नहीं कर पाऊंगा, तो करूंगा क्या वहां पे, यू नो. तो कुछ फायदा नहीं होगा मेरा, तो क्या बनाऊंगा वहां पे. क्या शेयर करूंगा. तो दैट्स व्हाई इट्स अ नो फॉर मी, यू नो.
Okay, this is another question by Anvesha Srivastava. She wants to know, was Pal Pal Dil Ke Paas song in the show in your own voice? Did you sing it yourself? That's what
थोड़ा करेक्टेड थी, आवाज मेरी बहुत बेसुरी है, थोड़ी करेक्टेड थी. तो यस.
What? Really? Currently sing it. We'll see. बेसुरी है
नहीं, अभी तो नहीं.
या एक लाइन तो गा ही सकते हो आप. Come on.
नहीं, जरा भी नहीं यार, जरा भी नहीं. ये ना, ये सब ऑटो ट्यून का कमाल है. हमारे
And you
हमारी
don't
जो
want to change that
देवात्मा सा है,
perception.
नहीं क्योंकि देवात्मा सा is very good. She always supports me and tells me that
Yeah.
you're a good singer. I don't believe that because I think that's the biggest lie that she's ever told me. But she's so fabulous कि मेरी हालत खराब हो जाती है as a singer, as a performer, you know. तो मुझे मैचअप करने के लिए फिर थोड़ा रिहर्सल ज्यादा लगती है, you know, फिर because she's excellent in what she does.
Yeah.
And everybody knows, all my fans also know she's a brilliant singer. In fact, मैं कब से
Yeah.
यही कह रहा हूँ कि आप अपना कुछ सिंगिंग का भी कीजिए, you know. And she sung a song recently जिसकी हम कल शूट करने वाले हैं, तो I'm very excited about that as well.
Oh, nice. So, इससे singing से याद आया, there's another question. For some reason, it's not being loaded. I'll just read out the question to you. Sir, this is by Sakhi Anuraj. Sir, when will you upload the video of Jo Tera Hovega?
देखिए, कल पहले उसे शूट कर ले, ठीक है, फिर अपलोड कर लेंगे. अगर आपको डायरेक्ट हिंट चाहिए तो पहले शूट करने दो भाई, टाइम लगता है, you know. मेरी फिल्म वालों को भी कमिटमेंट देना था, कोई और भी बिजी था, बहुत सारी चीजें ऑर्गेनाइज करनी पड़ती हैं. इट्स नॉट इजी, ऑल्दो वी आर डूइंग अ वेरी फन शूट, वेरी unique kind of a concept where we are going to be also shooting from the iPhone. We are also going to be shooting from DSLRs. We are working on a very limited unit, trying to achieve maximum potential and pushing myself, and I'm also going to be directing it. So I'm very
Okay,
excited
nice.
for that. तो मेरा जो
Nice.
डायरेक्शन का कीड़ा है वो बाहर आने वाला है. Yeah.
Okay, this question, obviously, I'm sure you get this often, but this is by Shift Rage. When will we see Shaki together, both Shaurya and Anokhi again? In fact, Debatama and you again in the next project. Is there something in the offing that you can talk about?
I really wish, yeah. I mean, अभी तक तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, but I really wish कि you know हम दोनों का जो हो तो season 2 हो वो better होगा because people know us by Shaurya and Anokhi. And besides that, अगर ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा क्या होता है ना कि if you become popular in a television series, then it's music videos होती हैं.
Yeah.
म्यूजिक वीडियोस ऐसे ज्यादा वही होता है जनरली, बट आई डोंट नो यार, अभी ऐसा कुछ है नहीं खास.
Okay, and if I'm sure you get this question a lot, but if you had to really sum up this experience of working together with Debatma on this particular show, what is the best part? What would you say? And I know there's a long answer to this, but the best part of she being part of a show and you guys working together, what would you say?
Are the best part, and I truly mean this, is that whenever she used to have an off, that used to be the best part because I used to be at ease then because that was the best
you
part.
say that?
Yeah, we don't know that.
Okay. All
If you have an
right.
off day, I used to feel, oh, finally I'm an actor who has some potential. You know?
She's an energy ball of energy. Is that what she is?
Yeah, she sees a lot of things. यार, मैं बोलने लग जाऊंगा तो फिर like you said, you know. But I think the best part was like we become really cool buddies. Yeah, you know, to be honest, I'm obviously close to everyone on my unit, but there are few people who I'm really close to.
Right.
Debatma is there, Alka ma'am is there, Harsh is there, Khalid sir is there. You know, they've really like supported me when I was struggling and battling COVID, and they really सुबह शाम मुझे मैसेज करते थे, फोन करते थे, बाहर से आके मुझे दूर से वेव करते थे. I want to see. एक टाइम था I was so touched. Like Alka ma'am was like, you know, मुझे तेरी शक्ल देखनी है करण, I'm missing you. So it was cute. Yeah, it was like.
Right. And do you want to take this question? Because this is another interesting question that I found. Night Owl G. Someone's calling you a night owl. Why is that? What time do you sleep? ये क्या है?
I sleep at the break of dawn, I think so.
Are you serious? Really?
Yeah.
What do you do all night?
I do.
Keep watching shows?
No, I don't watch shows. I've not seen a single show. I actually recently started watching my own show. It's very weird because I've never seen it before.
Okay.
तो सब लोग मुझे बड़े ताने दे रहे थे, you know, like तूने खुद का ही नहीं देखा यार. I said, is this show really special? Like क्या है क्या इसमें? हमारा शो स्पेशल है क्या? मैंने काम किया है, मैं मेरा पर्सपेक्टिव गायब हो चुका है बिकॉज मैं ऑब्वियसली कैरेक्टर से अटैच्ड हूँ और सारी चीजें हैं. He said, why don't you watch it yourself? I said, okay. And I loved it. It's a nice show, dude. Not because it's mine, but I never really watch my own work. Not much of it, at least.
Right.
I'm not one of those people. This is the first time I just started watching the initial episode, and I'm like, wow, this is gripping, yeah. तो थोड़ा सा बिलीफ और स्ट्रॉन्ग हो गया. तो besides that, नाइट आउल, बिकॉज रात को मुझे पढ़ना बहुत पसंद है. रिसर्च करता हूँ. जैसे अभी फिलहाल कुछ शॉर्ट ब्रेक डाउन कर रहा था म्यूजिक वीडियो के लिए, जो रात को वो करता हूँ. आई हैव गॉट कुछ टेक्निकल ऐसे गिम्बल्स विम्बल्स लेके आए हैं, तो उसको थोड़ा ऑपरेट करना सीखता हूँ. तो मोस्ट ऑफ माय वर्क हैपेंस एट नाइट. Most of my reading work happens at night. Most of my binging stuff होता है ना, कि you binge into something, like binge watch something or binge read something, or you just with your thoughts, yeah. Just such a lovely time. Some people are like that, so I am one of those people.
Okay, I'll end this with this question. This is by Anshu. When will your next reels be with Devatma? I want to actually, why I picked this question was because I saw very interesting reels with you and Devatma together, where you are on trend and she is, in full on, and you have, just jumbled it up, but it was really, really funny. So you guys have that kind of chemistry, and the fun aspect is also there. So your fans really want to see more of your reels and trending songs. There are too many of those questions, so I just picked this one and would actually like to address this.
Yeah, I would love to do reels with her, because she's so professional when it comes to even reels and all that. Yeah, like she's like at the, to the point, and at the real, like she's a perfectionist at that sense. वैसे मुझे खुद नहीं पता है, but मुझसे नहीं होता है. मतलब मैं से वो step पे नहीं हो रहा था. I was like, this is such a simple thing. Why is it not happening? मतलब मैं अपने आपको एक्टर मानता हूँ कि क्या हो रहा है, क्योंकि प्रोफेशन बदलने की जरूरत है यार. मेरी तो ऐसी अपलोडेड ऐसे तू कर है जो करना है, और मैं I'll upload, it doesn't matter. So it was a fun moment.
Do you read your DMs, KV? Do you read your DMs that the fans send you?
Most of them. ये लोग क्या है ना, बड़े शातिर हैं मेरे फैंस. ये लोग क्या करते हैं ना, उनको मालूम है कि मैं लाइव आ जाता हूँ या कुछ हो जाता है, या मैं ऑनलाइन होता हूँ. आई डोंट नो हाउ दे कम टू नो यार. मुझे भी बता दो यार सीक्रेट. मैं थोड़ा इंस्टाग्राम देहाती हूँ. तो ये लोगों क्या, इनको पता चल जाता है कि आओ इज एक्टिव, टिंग 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 मैसेजेस भेजने लग जाते हैं. तो ऊपर मेरे मोस्ट ऑफ माय आइकॉन्स ऊपर होते हैं ना, तो मैं कुछ और दबा रहा होता हूँ, आगे पीछे आ रहा होता हूँ, तो उनके मैसेज पे चले ही जाता है. Then they're like, oh, he's there. I'm like, हे भगवान, मैं आया किसी और काम के लिए था, तुम लोगों ने फंसा दिया मुझे.
कुछ ऐसा weird DMs जो आपको मिले हो, जो बहुत ही क्रेजी DM हो या बहुत ही हिलेरियस DM हो, जो आपको याद है? बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग चीजें भी लिखते हैं ना फैंस, कुछ याद है जो बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग है? Before we end this chat, we'd leave you with that one interesting comment that you remember from one of your fans on DM, a funny proposal on DM.
Funny? मुझे सबसे फनी तो यही लग रहा है कि मैं सोच के ही हंसी आ रही है यार उसकी. तो there was this guy who was like, I only wanted to meet one Karan in life, और तुमसे जानने से पहले मुझे पता चला कि एक करण है जिससे मैं बहुत प्यार करता हूँ, मगर मुझे उसकी शक्ल नहीं पता थी. तो जब आपको मैंने इंस्टाग्राम पे देखा, तो मैंने रियलाइज किया कि आप ही वो करण हो सकते हैं, और इसीलिए मेरा प्यार सच्चा है. वो पढ़ के हमने यार इसको पिक्चर में कभी यूज नहीं किया. बेस्ट पिकअप लाइन एवर यार.
He is the boss, yeah man.
ये कभी मैंने सुना नहीं है ऐसा, कि मैंने सपना देखा था इस नाम का, फिर एक शक्ल बाद में मैंने डिसाइड किया. मैंने बोला भाई उसको सोशल डेटिंग ऐप बोलते हैं, कि लेफ्ट राइट स्वाइप करना ना, कि आई नो आई वांट टू गेट हिच्ड, I want to be with somebody, but I want to look at the face. So I messaged him that. So you need this app more than anything else. But so sweet यार. So these are ऐसे बहुत funny situations होती हैं. किसी ने मुझे मेरी फेवरेट मिठाई भेजना, ये सारी चीजें बहुत कुछ करते हैं यार, बहुत कुछ.
Wow, यार.
So
that's amazing. That's amazing. It was lovely talking to you, Karanveer, and looking forward to having another session with you and Debatma also together. because fingers crossed we might just do it soon, because इतने सारे requests, I've been bombarded with that request. People are also giving me dirt कि why have you not added Devatma, तो मैं वो जरा clarify कर चुकी हूँ. So we'll hopefully do that soon. But it was lovely talking to you and knowing
Pleasure
you
is all
better.
mine. Thank you.
Thank you so much. You
Thank
take
you.
care.
See you.
Bye.